Hello, everybody. I just want to point out an assignment that's coming up. We have covered cells. We have covered many different areas of the cells: meiosis, mitosis, mutations, genetics, lots of things in the last month or so. And there are two different standards that we haven't covered, and they have to do with prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. So what I want you to do is I want you to make a Google slideshow or keynote and explain the advantages and disadvantages of a prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. So prokaryotic are very simple cells for certain organisms which you are going to research, and eukaryotic are the more advanced complex cells like the ones we have, and I have the different questions and things you should include. Also, the other standard is I can explain the differences in a plant and animal cell organelles. So I have questions laid out for you, so you can look them up and create your slideshow. I have two websites, one here and one here for you. And I want you to read in the information in here to find out what prokaryotic and eukaryotic are. The differences here is differences between plant and animal cells. You will have to look for other websites to research. I just gave you these to be nice, that's all. So you need to read the paragraphs and things in these two websites. Then you're going to create a Google slideshow keynote, which you haven't done for a while, and you'll need to research more websites, like I said. There will be section 1, and you can title it Eukaryotic and Prokaryotic Cells. The slides, picture of animal and plant cells side by side. What does eukaryotic cells have that prokaryotic cells do not have? Examples of organisms that are made of each. What is the advantage and disadvantages of being prokaryotic or eukaryotic? And then the next section will be on the differences between plant and animal cells. Which cell has chloroplasts? Why does the cell need chloroplasts? Why does the plant cell have its shape? What does the cell wall do for the plant? And that should cover what you need, the basics, for these two standards. So that's what I'm looking for. And then I want you to take that Google slideshow, that keynote, and then I want you to put that onto the Google Classroom assignment that this will be on. And that's it. So that's going to it'll take a couple class periods. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time in workshop or in my class. Get this done. Okay, so we can move on. We're going to move on to viruses, bacteria, viruses, and allergens. Okay, so we'll find out about those next. Get ready. We'll see you later.